BMW ownership after warranty expires. It's the stuff of nightmares for many car buyers. But here's the thing. Not all BMWs are maintenance nightmares waiting to bankrupt you. Some models are genuinely reliable, well-built machines that can give you years of driving pleasure without breaking the bank. Here are the 10 best and most reliable BMW models that are actually worth owning after the warranty runs out. And number 1 might surprise you with just how bulletproof it really is. Number 10, 2011 to 2016 BMW X3F25. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the second generation BMW X3, the F25 generation that ran from 2011 to 2016. The base X Drive 28i came with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 240 horsepower, while the X Drive 35 I packed a 3.0-liter inline-6, producing 300 horsepower. BMW finally got the formula right with this generation. The N20 and N55 engines are far more reliable than their predecessors, and the 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and durable. You can find clean examples starting around $15,000 to $25,000 US dollars. That's roughly $20,500 to $34,000 Canadian dollars. Common issues include cooling system components and occasional turbo problems, but overall it's solid. But as dependable as the X3 is, our number 9 pick takes reliability to another level. Number 9, 2006 to 2010 BMW E9325 i/328i. At number 9, we have the naturally aspirated E93 series, the 325i and 328i from 2006 to 2010. The 325 I featured a 3.0-liter inline-6, making 215 horsepower, while the 328 I bumped that up to 230 horsepower. These use the legendary N52 naturally aspirated inline-6 engine, widely considered one of BMW's most reliable engines ever built. No turbochargers, no direct injection, carbon buildup, just smooth, reliable power. Clean examples run $8,000 to $16,000 US dollars or $11,000 to $22,000 Canadian dollars. Main issues are cooling system components and window regulators, but the N52 can easily go 200,000 plus miles with proper maintenance. Speaking of naturally aspirated reliability, our number 8 proves older really is better. Number 8, 1999 to 2005 BMW E46 325i. Coming in at number 8 is the E46 325i from 1999 to 2005. This featured the M54 2.5-liter inline-6, producing 192 horsepower. Not the most powerful, but arguably the most reliable E46 you can buy. The M54 engine runs relaxed and lasts longer than the more stressed 330i version. The transmissions are virtually unbreakable. You'll find decent examples for $6,000 to $14,000 US dollars, roughly $8,200 to $19,000 Canadian dollars. Yes, you'll deal with cooling system failures and window regulators, but the 325i avoids the serious problems that plague higher performance E46. It's the sweet spot of classic BMW driving feel with manageable costs. But our number 7 proves some modern BMWs can be surprisingly dependable. Number 7, 2012 to 2018 BMW F3320i. At number 7, we have the F3320i from 2012 to 2018. This base model came with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 180 horsepower modest numbers, but that's good for reliability. The N20 engine runs at lower stress levels than higher performance variants, which means better long-term reliability. The 8-speed automatic is excellent, and electric power steering is maintenance-free. Clean examples range from 12,000 to 22,000 US dollars, or 16,500 to 30,000 Canadian dollars. Main concerns are timing chain issues on early models and cooling system components, but it's significantly more reliable than the 328i and 335i. Sometimes less really is more, and our number 6 takes that philosophy even further. Number 6. 2001 to 2006 BMW E 46 330 i Touring. Number 6 goes to the E 4633 O i Touring, the wagon version from 2001 to 2006. While sedan 33O is have reliability concerns, the wagons were typically better maintained and driven less aggressively. The M54B 33.0 liter inline 6 produces 225 horsepower. In wagon form, these engines last longer because they weren't driven as hard. The wagon's weight actually helps with subframe cracking issues too. Expect to pay $8,000 to $18,000 US dollars, roughly $11,000 to $24,500 Canadian dollars. They're harder to find, but worth it. You're getting a car owned by someone who needed practicality over performance, which means better maintenance. But wagons aren't the only overlooked reliable BMWs. Number 5. 2009 to 2015 BMW F01/F02750i. At number 5, we have the F01/F02750i from 2009 to 2015. The 750i featured a 4.4-liter twin turbo V8, making 400 horsepower. Serious luxury flagship power. Here's the surprise. The N63 engine is actually reliable in the 750 eSight when properly maintained. These owners follow maintenance schedules religiously and don't beat on their cars. You can find examples for 20,000 to 40,000 US dollars. That's 27,000 to 54,500 Canadian dollars. Yes, maintenance costs are higher, but you're getting incredible luxury for the money due to heavy depreciation. Buy from the right owner with full service records. When maintained properly, these are surprisingly reliable luxury barges. But if you want reliability without complexity, our number 4 is as simple as BMW gets. Number 4. 2006 to 2013 BMW E 82/E88 128i. Number 4 goes to the overlooked BMW 128 iCoupe and convertible from 2006 to 2013. This little BMW packed the same N52 3.0-liter naturally aspirated inline 6 as the E 9325i, making 230 horsepower. The 128i is essentially a smaller, lighter version of the reliable E 9325i, which makes it even better to drive and just as reliable. The N52 engine is bulletproof, transmissions are fantastic, and with less weight, components last longer. Clean examples run 10,000 to 20,000 US dollars, or 13,700 to 27,000 Canadian dollars. Issues are minimal: cooling system components and occasional window regulators. Pure BMW dynamics without turbo complexity. Simple solutions are often the best. And our number 3 takes reliability to another level entirely. Number 3. 2000 to 2006 BMW E 39/525i. At number 3, we have the E 39/525i from 2000 to 2006. This luxury sedan came with the M54 2.5-liter inline 6, making 192 horsepower, the same bulletproof engine as the E 46/325 owned. The E39 represents BMW at its most balanced, sophisticated enough to feel modern, simple enough to be reliable. The M54 engine is legendary. Transmissions are unbreakable, and electronics are useful, but not overly complex. Expect to pay $5,000 to $12,000 US dollars, roughly $6,800 to 16,400 Canadian dollars. Main issues are cooling system and wear items, but many have over 300,000 miles and are still running strong. Classic BMW luxury without modern complexity. But our number 2 takes longevity to legendary status. Number 2, 2001 to 2003 BMW E46 325 Xi. Taking number 2 is the E46 325 Xi from 2001 to 2003, specifically these early years before BMW added complexity. This all-wheel drive sedan featured the M54 2.5-liter inline-six, making 192 horsepower, with BMW's Xi all-wheel drive system. The bulletproof M54 engine, combined with BMW's simpler early Xi system, creates exceptional reliability. These cars were often driven conservatively and maintained better. Clean examples run $8,000 to $16,000 US dollars, or $11,000 to $22,000 Canadian dollars. You'll get typical E46 issues, plus some all-wheel drive maintenance, but these regularly hit 250,000 plus miles. Perfect balance of capability and dependability. But even this reliable gem can't match our legendary number 1. Number 1, 1992 to 1998 BMW E36 325i. Taking the crown as the most reliable BMW is the E36 325gi from 1992 to 1998. This classic featured the M50/M52 2.5-liter inline-six, making 189 to 192 horsepower, and it's absolutely bulletproof. The M50 and early M52 engines are among BMW's most durable power plants ever. No Vanos on early models, no complex electronics, no turbos, just smooth, reliable, naturally aspirated power. Transmissions are virtually indestructible. You can find examples for $6,000 to $15,000 US dollars, roughly $8,200 to $20,500 Canadian dollars. Issues are minimal: cooling system components every 80,000 miles and normal wear items. Many have over 300,000 miles and are still daily driven. Parts are cheap. Any BMW mechanic can work on them, and they respond perfectly to basic maintenance. Proof that the best engineering is often the simplest. These 10 BMWs prove reliable. German engineering isn't an oxymoron. From the practical F25X3 to the legendary E36 325i, there are BMWs that won't bankrupt you. Choose naturally aspirated engines when possible. Avoid first-year models and prioritize maintenance records over low mileage. A well-maintained, higher mileage BMW will always beat a neglected low mileage one. All that being said, what do you think?